Hi guys, my name is Stacy and I make videos on fashion, styling, and shopping. And today's video is going to be a luxury shoe unboxing. And I'm sure you read the title of the video, so you already know what it is. It's Bottega Veneta. Okay, I don't even know who I am anymore that I'm buying like luxury shoes like this. I usually only buy shoes that I can usually wear casually, like, you know, I'll buy a pair of like high-end sneakers or like flats like the Gucci Princetown, or like maybe a pair of Gucci loafers, things like that. The Gita Couture boots, I would consider those to be luxury as well. Those are items that I can like wear every day. So it's kind of like an everyday little flex. You know, for me, I'm like, I don't want to buy something that's really, you know, that's luxury that I can't just pick up and wear whenever I want to wear it. You know, like I just want to be able to have the option to be able to wear it, you know, for the most part, for pretty much any occasion, and not just have to save, you know, luxury for like when I'm going out, because I'm not going out anywhere at this point. So that's kind of my mentality about luxury. But this is an exception. This is not a casual shoe at all. It's definitely a heel, but I just love the shoe. Initially I'd seen the shoe on Instagram and I saw it on gilt.com. And they had it for like a couple $100s cheaper than retail. And I was like, oh snap, let me go see. But I've never bought a pair of Bottega shoes before. So I had to naturally research to see, you know, watch some videos to see if, you know, I was my normal like size 38. And I ended up getting a size 37.5 because I heard that they ran a little bit big. So I figured that would be safe because I'm a 7.5 US size. But by the time I came back to the site, they were already sold out. So I just figured that it just wasn't really meant to be. Well, maybe a few weeks ago, the Yusufs, they did an unboxing and one of them unboxed this shoe. And I was like, you know what? It's a sign. I need this shoe. And I justified it because I figured that it's so, well, when you see the shoe, you'll know what I'm talking about. I think that, you know, it's a bright shoe, but I feel like it's still very neutral because it goes with any color that you want to put it with, in my opinion. So I figured it was an investment that way. So anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so it comes in this green box, the iconic Bottega box here. It's very nice. It looks like a package. It doesn't look like a shoebox at all. As you can see, it kind of opens all around here. And I don't know, it feels like more of a package. I picked this up at Neiman Marcus. I ordered it online, but I had them ship it to the store to pick up curbside. Oh, so here is, oh, it's actually really nice. So it comes like this. You get your dust bags. This may be an authenticity card. Comes with extra feet here. And it comes with two really nice dust bags, which, I mean, these shoes cost enough, so they better be nice as far as I'm concerned. And then it's just wrapped in paper here. So it's actually wrapped really nicely. And this is my first time unboxing these, so we're doing this together. My first pair of Bottega shoes. All right, so here it is. Well, actually, let me just pull them out now. I got the Bottega stretch net mules. When I tell you, these shoes are to die for. These shoes are to die for. Look at that. So it has a square toe here, as you can see. It's really more of an exaggerated square toe, but not too much. The heel is not that high, which I really like. You guys know how I feel about high heels. I'm just not into the 4 and 5 inch heels anymore. It has like a wraparound, and it has like these little strings coming up here, which I cannot wait to wear these. And I decided to go ahead and invest in these because this will go with pretty much any summer outfit that I want. You know, if I really wanted to like go out, it goes with all white, it goes with black, it goes with blue, it goes with pink, it goes with, you know, navy, you know, khaki colored. There are not a lot of colors, brown, there are not a lot of colors that this wouldn't go with, and it gives you like a nice pop, especially if you have like a really like a brown outfit. This would be really, really cute. A nice pop of green. Even florals, like if you had on like more of a pinkish floral dress, this would be a nice contrast and pop against it. So this is a very versatile shoe, even though the color does seem bright. We do wear brights in, you know, somewhat in the summertime. So I feel like it was something that I would be able to easily style. Like this would be like my go-to going out shoe whenever I do go out. And trust me when I say that, when I go out, I'm probably wearing this shoe every single time. Like I may wear this to the damn mailbox as far as I'm concerned, because these shoes were an investment. But yeah, so yeah, she's pretty. I have not tried these on, but from what I understand, Bottega shoes are very comfortable. And I can even tell, like, look at the ridges on this shoe here, which makes it comfortable to walk on, which is genius. And again, the heel is not too high. Like it's maybe a 3.5 inch heel, which is totally walkable. So you know, this is one of those shoes which I wouldn't mind throwing on, because that's the other thing. Whenever I get like a 4-inch heel or higher, it's just not comfortable. And so I usually don't even end up wearing it, because I guess I value comfort over style to a degree. I mean, I do, because I'm not putting on a shoe that I know I'm going to have a problem walking in. So that's why I'm like, you know what? I just stopped buying shoes that high anymore. Like that's just not my life anymore. You know, I'm over 40 and it's just time for me to understand that I need to start taking better care of my feet. But anyway, so this style of shoe came out, I think in 2019. Bottega has always been like, you know, a good luxury brand, but it's kind of always trended older, to be honest with you, until Daniel Lee took over. I think he took over as creative director in maybe 2018, probably 18, because I think his first line was 2019. And his first shoe, or one of the more, I would say, iconic shoes, are going to be this particular shoe here. Not this specific one, but the ones with the net. It has like a gold, like this is leather, but the straps went up here. They were gold. And it didn't have like the wraparound tie. So it was literally just essentially like this shoe here. It was in black, and then it has like the gold chain here. So he's the one that started that. And that was I think it came in black and tan. And that shoe was all over Instagram with a lot of the bloggers or whatever. That was in 2019. So this is a different version. It's the same concept. It's just that this is leather. So they replaced the gold chain with leather, and then it has a little ankle tie around here, which makes it a little bit different. So initially I really wanted the black ones. It was really hard to get at some point. They were selling out. But I don't know. I just thought that was a little bit excessive. But then here I am like 2 years later, and I have a pair of green, the green version. Like that's kind of insane to me, but you know, I did it. So, but yeah, so I think that was, Daniel's like first line. So now like Bottega is like the it brand. If you can imagine, like a lot of their bags, they have like those little like quilted bags, which are really popular. The little smushy like bags or the pillow like bags, those are really popular as well. Those are things that Bottega has always done, but now it's like more elevated. It's cool now, and like basically everybody that's anybody as an influencer has like a Bottega bag or something Bottega. So that's just, you know, how hot the brand is right now. But yeah, so I think that's all that I have for you guys today. I do have an unboxing for you, probably maybe sometime next weekend, because my package is supposed to be here tomorrow, but I had it shipped someplace else. So that might delay it until Wednesday. So I'll do that unboxing for you live. I'll also do my handbag unboxing for you guys. I just bought that, so I don't know when I'm gonna get that. I probably won't get that until maybe sometime next week, because I didn't express ship that. But yeah, I have a lot of things coming in for you guys to unbox. So let me know how you like my shoes, if you like them or not. If you want me to style them, let me know in the comment section, and you guys have a good weekend.